Amir King Khan versus Canelo Alvarez for the middleweight championship of the world. Come on, Oscar. Why did you make this fight, man? Come on. Fight fans, what is your take on this fight? Khan has to prove me wrong, but for now, my prediction is if Canelo hits Khan with that left hook to the body, or if Canelo hits Khan with that left hook to the chin, Khan is going down. Come on, Oscar. This is a mismatch, baby. You cannot compare this fight to Manny Pacquiao versus Oscar De La Hoya. It's two different fight. It's not the same. When Pacquiao fought De La Hoya was weight drained. I think he weighed in at 145 pounds at the weigh-in, at the scale. And Oscar, I don't think Oscar make that weight for almost. Oscar did make that weight for almost 10 years. So how can you compare this fight to a Canelo Alvarez? How can you compare Canelo Alvarez is in his prime? Come on, Oscar. This is a money fight. Yeah, it's a good business fight. They can make a lot of money about this fight. But until Khan proves me wrong, come on, man. If Chris Algieri can hurt Amir Khan, what can Canelo can do to him? Don't mock us, Oscar. Don't fool us. This is a bullshit fight. I know. Until Amir Khan proves me wrong, but Canelo at 155 pounds facing Amir Khan for the first time. Amir Khan jump up weight class. Amir Khan gets dropped by Julio Diaz. He gets knocked out by Danny Garcia. And then all of a sudden, he's fighting Canelo Alvarez. This is going to be an exciting fight as long as it lasts. But as soon as Canelo hits him with that big punch, I don't think Amir Khan can withstand those Canelo punches, man. Canelo walked through Miguel Cotto, and Cotto is a much more durable guy than Amir Khan. I feel sorry for Amir Khan. Amir Khan is so desperate, he takes this fight. Come on, man. You can't win this fight. Prove me wrong this May 7. If you prove me wrong, if Amir Khan wins this fight, I will never make a video again. But I can see some. In my prediction for this fight is Amir Khan will outbox him, and Canelo will catch him. I believe Canelo will catch him sooner or later with that. I don't know, with the right hook or to the body, but Canelo will. It's a knockout. It's going to be a knockout. Mark my words. It's going to be a knockout.